everyone, welcome back to Fitness Feast. Today, we're diving into the world of intermittent fasting. It is very useful if you want to lose weight, improve health, and get rid of diseases. We'll explore what it is, how it works, its potential benefits, what food to eat during fasting, who might have to avoid it, and some frequently asked questions. Let's get started. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. Unlike traditional diets that focus on what you eat, intermittent fasting centers on when you eat. It is one of the world's most popular health and fitness trends. Why do we need intermittent fasting? Johns Hopkins University's well-known neuroscientist Mark Mattson has studied intermittent fasting for years, and he says our bodies have evolved to be able to go without food for many hours, or even several days. In prehistoric times, before humans learned to farm, they were hunters and gatherers who evolved to survive for long periods without eating. They had to. It took a lot of time and energy to hunt game and gather nuts and berries. With growing IT involvement of smartphones, TV, and other entertainment available, many adults and children stay awake for longer hours to watch TV, scroll through social media, play games, and chat online. That can mean sitting and snacking all day and most of the night. Extra calories and less activity can mean a higher risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and other illnesses. Scientific studies are showing that intermittent fasting may help reverse these trends. How does intermittent fasting work? When you fast, your body enters a metabolic state called ketosis. This process can lead to several benefits, including increased human growth hormone, HGH. HGH plays a crucial role in muscle growth and fat loss. It is a natural hormone your pituitary gland makes and releases that acts on many parts of the body to promote growth, especially in children. Improved insulin sensitivity. This can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Cellular repair. A process called autophagy helps remove damaged cells, promoting overall health. Gene expression. Intermittent fasting can positively influence genes related to longevity and disease prevention. Let's talk about benefits of intermittent fasting. Weight loss. Many people have experienced significant weight loss and reduced body fat. Improved metabolic health. Reduced risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and other metabolic disorders. Reduced inflammation. Lower levels of inflammatory markers can alleviate chronic inflammation. Enhanced cognitive function. Improved brain health and cognitive performance. Who should avoid intermittent fasting? While intermittent fasting can be beneficial for many, it's not suitable for everyone. Consult your healthcare provider before starting any new diet, especially if you have eating disorders, diabetes, low blood pressure, underweight, pregnancy, or breastfeeding. Now, the important question is what to eat. During intermittent fasting, during your eating window, focus on nutrient-dense foods like lean proteins, chicken, fish, tofu, healthy fats, avocados, nuts, olive oil, complex carbohydrates, whole grains, fruits, vegetables. Let's talk about different ways to approach intermittent fasting. There are a few methods, so let's go through 4 common approaches. First up, the 12-hour fast. This one is simple and works well for beginners. All you need to do is decide on a 12-hour window for fasting. For instance, you might choose to stop eating at 7 p.m. and start again at 7 a.m. By doing this, you allow your body to tap into its fat stores for energy, which can help with weight loss. The best part? Much of the fasting period is during sleep, making it easier to stick to. Next is the 16th ratio 8th method. With this one, you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. It's also called the lean gains diet. Many people finish eating by 8 p.m. and then skip breakfast, starting their meals at noon the next day. Women are sometimes advised to start with 14 hours of fasting and work their way up to 16. If you tried the 12-hour fast and want something more intense, this might be for you. Then there's alternate day fasting. Here, you fast every other day. Some people do a complete fast on those days, while others allow up to 500 calories. On non-fasting days, you can eat freely. Alternate day fasting is more intense and may be harder to maintain, especially for beginners. Lastly, there's the weekly 24-hour fast, also called the Eat Stop Eat method. For this one, you fast for a full 24 hours, maybe from breakfast to breakfast or lunch to lunch. During the fasting period, you can have water, tea, and other calorie-free drinks. This method reduces calorie intake but lets you eat normally on non-fasting days. It can be challenging at first, but people often find it gets easier with time. So, those are 4 popular ways to try intermittent fasting. Remember, choose the method that fits your lifestyle and goals. And as always, consult with a healthcare professional if you have any medical conditions or concerns. Now that we've covered different methods of intermittent fasting, let's discuss some common mistakes people often make and how to avoid them. One mistake people make is fearing hunger. Many think that being hungry for a few hours will cause them to lose muscle. But that's simply not true. Fasting for short periods won't erase all your hard work. In fact, many who do intermittent fasting have great muscle size and strength. Giving your digestive system a break can be beneficial, so don't let the fear of hunger hold you back. The biggest mistake to avoid is breaking your fast with too much junk food or unnecessary calories. After fasting, it can be tempting to overindulge, but this can undo all your progress. There's no diet that will help you look and feel your best while eating mostly junk food. Instead, focus on fresh, clean, whole foods to make the most of your fasting efforts. We have answered some common questions about intermittent fasting. Can I drink liquids during a fast? Yes, water, black coffee, and tea are allowed. Is it unhealthy to skip breakfast? Not necessarily. If you eat healthy meals throughout the day, it's okay to skip breakfast. Can I take supplements while fasting? Yes, but consult with a healthcare professional to ensure optimal timing and absorption. Can I work out while fasting? Yes, but listen to your body and adjust your workout intensity as needed. Will fasting cause muscle loss? To minimize muscle loss, ensure adequate protein intake and strength training. Intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool for weight loss and improved health. However, it's essential to approach it with caution and consult with a healthcare professional. Remember, the best diet is one you can stick to long-term. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, add your valuable comments, and subscribe to Fitness Feast for more health-related informative videos.